My friends, I am so flippin' excited because today is a dream that is roughly 4 years in the making. Ever since we had and started the UFD Tech channel, I was like, I want this. This is Linus's video on the LG 65-inch OLED that he got from them way back when. But LG was doing a campaign where they were giving them out to basically every tech tuber that I was following at the time. When I started my channel, I wanted to be here. This is what I wanted to achieve. And today, LG has finally come through. We are unboxing their LG NanoCell 75NANO99, which is 8K, has its NanoCell technology, does up to 4K 120 Hertz, and is essentially everything that I could possibly want in a television. And I'm so flippin' excited that we're here today for it. So I'm gonna unbox it. We're gonna get this puppy set up. And when I got the email, I literally screamed through the office about how excited I was that we were getting LG to sponsor us with a really, really expensive TV. This technically isn't sponsored, they just sent the product for free. But, so they gave me two options of TVs that I can have. I could either have an 86-inch 4K, or I can have a 75-inch 8K. And what I knew was that our current TV stand, which our 70-inch LG is currently on, is only so big, and that an 86-inch TV would not fit in my living room experience. And also, I really, really wanted to try out the 8K experience, which is what brings me to choosing this one. And thankfully, I looked at the specs with the 75NANO99, and versus the current 70-inch that I have, even though the TV is wider, where the TV stands are closer together than on my TV. So that actually means it's definitely, hopefully that doesn't come back to bite me, it's definitely going to fit. So one of the things that my family is most excited about, because our 70-inch TV I picked up at Black Friday once we moved back to the United States, because obviously we needed a TV since we didn't have one. And I've always really loved LG personally because of WebOS and how intuitive the software is. But because I got literally the cheapest giant TV I could find, it came with LG's regular remote, not their Magic remote, which actually is more like an air mouse where you can control it. So the first things my kids said when they saw this box was, oh, hey, great, it has the Magic remote. So everybody is excited about this. This looks to be like all of the stuff we need. What is this? What are these? What does that do? Is that like antenna? I need to find out what that is. I've never seen that before in my life.
Video evidence that Brett does read manuals.
I do.
Sometimes.
Oh, that's the IR blaster. Huh. Don't need that. Okay. Now it's time to get the TV. Reece, I think that you are going to have to help me do this, and we're gonna have to put the camera down because this thing is just absolutely stunk.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's huge. I don't know how. We should probably not lay it down on its front. Let's turn it around, and that way we can't. Oh, wait. Take the box up. Haha! And now let's lift it out and set it on its back.
Is there any part to grab?
Yeah, like I'm just grabbing the edge. Let's grab together. 3, 2, 1. Oh, frick! Oh, this is heavy. Holy crap.
Wow, this thing is massive.
I mean, it's not that much bigger than my current one, which I set up by myself, by the way. I don't know how I managed that. But I think I read that the shipping weight on this was 100 pounds. There we have it. The LG 75NANO99. All right, the stands need to be installed. I love that in this video, Linus is talking about how there's no 4K content anywhere, but you know, that's not true anymore. And now there's no 8K content anywhere. Like officially, I think I can really just pick it up on YouTube. But okay, so this is the dilemma that I'm having. Never mind, I'll be right back with the screwdriver. So the confusion or the dilemma that I'm essentially having at this point is I don't have any way of showing super high-end content because I only stream 4K content. I don't actually own a 4K Blu-ray player, which is probably how I'm going to get the best looking picture on this thing. So I need to know, do you guys want to see me try out some high-end content and trying to watch 8K for the first time? Technically it's 4K, but the bitrate on 4K Blu-ray is gonna be higher than I think the streaming content that I can get for 8K at this point. That's gonna be dangerous, playing a dangerous game. I don't think my wife wants us to buy another TV stand because we bought another TV stand in order to fit this one. Hey, see, that's the next video. It's the exact same TV, but from Jay's 2 cents 4 years ago. Okay, while we have it in this very compromising position, let's go ahead and take a look at the back panel. So over here, we've got 3 USB in, which is pretty decent as far as I/O. Here's where the IR blaster goes, and the SVC only. I don't know what that's for at all. Then we've got 1, 2, 3 HDMI, 8K, we have 4 HDMI, 8K at 60 hertz in. I'm pretty sure this is HDMI 2.1. Then we got the LAN port, the audio out. Why do you need a 3.5mm jack on a 75-inch 8K TV? What are you doing? I guess for like the wireless headphones in case you're trying to watch. Cable in, optical, and then AV in. Pretty decent. We got mounting in case you want to put it on a VESA mount, or wall mount it rather. And then the power cable is baked in. It doesn't look like it's removable. And then it's just a regular plug. Okay, Reece, I need you to put the camera down again because we have to flip it onto its stand. So grab it by the stand, I think, and then the top. You ready?
Maybe not.
Okay. Oh, frick. All right, there we go. Set it up.
Woo!
Okay, the one thing I do want to see is I want to put it up against the TV stand and see if it's actually going to fit before we take this guy down. Yeah, you basically have to do all the work here. Yeah, looks like there's plenty of room.
You've got room.
All right, so now let's move it out of the way and let's take the 70-inch TV down. Never mind. I didn't know what I was talking about. I just need the panel. I didn't accidentally need a $4,000 TV. What are you talking about? Here, we'll take it down and then we'll move it over here. This is significantly lighter.
Wow.
Jeez. So since moving back to the States, I haven't gotten my audio or like home theater set up the way that I exactly wanted. I'm actually just running off of a cheap Samsung soundbar, which was 50% off at Black Friday. So that's like basically my entire setup is things I got cheap at Black Friday because that was right after I moved back to the United States. And now we can actually start making it official. I do need a receiver that's capable of handling everything. I do need audio that's going to be a little bit better than a soundbar. But the audio that's included in this TV, if I'm not mistaken, this is not the official review, so I just have to look at it. I think it's 2 20-watt speakers with a sub in here. I might be mistaken on the exact numbers, but there's a subwoofer in this TV, which I have not experienced before. So the audio quality on this might even be better than my soundbar because it's a cheap piece of crap. Okay, let's go ahead, Reece, put it down. Time to mount this TV, Reece. All right, you ready?
I guess so.
So.
How are we gonna do this?
3, 2, 1. Wow. Yeah, significantly more arduous. Oh, geez. I'm already on, so. All right, let's see if we damage the panel.
Yes.
Time to plug this baby in. I know it's technically bigger, but it doesn't seem like it's taking up all that much living room space, which is great. My wife was just like, no, please, not a bigger TV. This thing is also HDR10, which means it has proper HDR brightness, which I have actually personally never seen before. I just wanted to make sure this worked before we start like actually putting it in place and setting everything up. WebOS is turning on. WebOS is my favorite. Both mobile operating system and TV operating system.
From the Palm days.
From the Palm, you got it.
Press OK.
I did.
Button on your LG
It does this. It has
magically
accessibility
launches your
turned
TV.
on first so that anybody who actually needs accessibility can use it right from the get-go, which I think is brilliant.
Country, United States.
Yes.
Button, deactivate time zone. So ADAC, unchecked. Honolulu. Do you want to keep audio guidance turned on?
No.
Oh, yes.
No, but I'm so glad that they do. They have that. That's such a good feature to have. So it can get you TV. Oh! I got you. Why is this? What is going on? Okay, so that is heckin' loud at 40. So one of the cool things about this TV is it actually has the 3rd generation of their A9 AI processor, which helps to upscale all of the video that you're watching. So regardless of not having 4K or 8K content, it'll actually upscale that all for me. So what it'll do here is if I turn this on, let's just can get a good focus on this kid's face, right? And the lettering, obviously, as well. Okay, so this is with AI off, and then let's go ahead and turn AI on. And you can just see it got so much extra detail. And then the sound is also going to be processed. So I want to see how it Currently it's sound off. It airs it out for sure. I think I prefer it with it off though, because it's more hollow sounding, which I get. I think it's trying to simulate surround sound, but the AI on actually gave you tons more clarity in the actual image. So we'll try it on and see. 5 free LG channels. Watch Brat TV. So yummy. And Architectural Digest. No, thank you. All right, let's get Netflix set up. Actually, let's go to YouTube because that's where you get 8K content, right?
It's so bright.
I could probably drop the brightness. How about instead of dropping the brightness, Reece, we turn it up to its max brightness to see what it is.
Okay, we can do that.
Because we're in an actually well-lit room. So if this thing gets bright, yeah, go away. Close. I'm trying to work on something. Why did I have to try to? Yes, I forgot about this. This actually has Filmmaker Mode, which is the exact opposite of that motion smoothing garbage that I've hated. Filmmaker Mode actually allows it to be in the proper viewing that it's supposed to be from like original movies. So like getting it down to 24 FPS and making sure that it's matching that instead of being like, we tripled the frame rate so everything looks butter. AI service, what does the AI service do? AI Picture Pro is turned on. AI brightness control will automatically be adjusted with the brightness around your TV. All right, let's do the LG 8K 60 FPS HD Nature 8K Video Ultra HD for 8K TV.
That's a lot of 8K.
No, we have to do this one. South Africa. Yes.
Transferteerpark.
Sorry, we want to say that one more time?
Transferteerpark.
Transferteerpark.
Transfrontier.
Transfrontier.
Yeah, you gotta say it with the accent.
Sorry, I don't got the Afrikaans accent. Yeah, my first ad! Hold on, this video looks atrocious. I'm gonna see if set to 4K. They lied, there's no 8K here. Liars. Japan. Holy crap, that actually looks, yep, that's 8K. I noticed that immediately.
Damn.
Holy crap. Okay, exposed for the TV. I saw that was 8K right from the get-go. Damn. Holy crap. Hey friends, it's at this part where I realized that Reece stopped recording for some reason. He accidentally did the oopsie on the camera, so you're just gonna listen to audio of me being super excited about an 8K TV, either with the footage that we were watching or something that's not gonna get us copy striked. So enjoy. Thanks, Reece.
You're welcome.
Good job cameramanning.
Yeah.
Appreciate you.
Got you.
Holy crap. I literally have never seen anything like this.
That is insane.
And this isn't even the highest bitrate that you could possibly get. Like 4K Blu-ray is technically a higher bitrate than this, so I can't imagine how flipping good that must look. I can see like the shapes of individual cars. That isn't, like you can see all of the dang markings on the road. Holy frick. And especially from far away, this looks phenomenal. So this is actually 33 million pixels, whereas a 4K TV is right around 8.2 million pixels. So this is packing 4 times as many pixels in only 5 more inches of screen real estate. Dang! Thank you, LG. That's it. I'm gonna experiment more with 8K content, with higher resolution content, and this is not the official review. That's gonna be posted on the UFD Tech channel, but I did want to say big thanks to LG for contacting us about working with the LG NanoCell 75NANO99. I am so flippin' excited. This was the dream 4 years ago, to have a company send me something like this. And we're here, and I can't believe it. And it's exciting. It's so exciting. And I got my South African boy holding the camera. Yeah, let's go. All right, Reece, let's just go enjoy this now. Bye, everybody. I need to turn off the lights in here because I actually want to